If you want to learn what is keyword density, then this video is for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs. Today we are diving into a fundamental aspect of SEO content writing, and that is what is keyword density. Keyword density is a crucial concept that every content creator should understand. In this lecture, we will explore what keyword density is, why it matters, and lay the foundation for calculating the ideal keyword density in upcoming lessons. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the full makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. So let's get started. Definition of keyword density. Keyword density refers to the percentage of times a particular keyword or key phrase appears in a piece of content compared to the total number of words in that content. It measures of how often you have used your target keyword. Examples. Let's consider two articles, one with an ideal keyword density and one with excessive keyword stuffing. Example 1. In a well optimized article about home gardening tips, the keyword gardening appears naturally throughout the content, contributing to a healthy keyword density. Example 2. In contrast, an article about home gardening tips, it's stuffed with the word gardening in almost every sentence. This leads to an unnaturally high keyword density and negatively affects the user reading experience. Here, I want to mention again that in our upcoming lessons, I will guide you on what the ideal keyword density is and how to calculate the keyword density in detail. So, there is no need to worry. Now, importance of keyword density. Now, let's explore why keyword density is so important in the world of SEO and content writing. Understanding keyword density is crucial because it helps search engines determine the relevancy of your content to a particular keyword or topic. When search engines crawls your content, they look at the keyword density to gauge how well your content matches a user's search query. Striking the right balance with keyword density ensures that your content is optimized for SEO without overloading it with keywords. Proper keyword density ensures that your content is both user friendly and SEO friendly, right? Now, in conclusion, we can say that keyword density is a vital component for effective SEO content writing. It impacts how search engines perceive and rank your content, making it essential to strike the right balance. By maintaining an optimal keyword density and crafting content that is valuable to users, you can improve your search engine rankings and enhance your online visibility. Got it? Stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will explore practical methods for determining and achieving the ideal keyword density. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us in lecture 23 where we explored what is keyword density. If you are looking for exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.